Welcome to this e-Clubhouse training session. We're going to learn how to make links and anchors inside a single page so that we can navigate through many pages of information that appears just on a single page. What you see on the screen now is an example of that. Here I have a schedule of activities of clubs within my own district, District 23B, Connecticut. If I go to this page, I can click on, let's say, February, and it scrolls down to this anchor in the February section. And then I have a link that goes back to 2014, back to the top, so I can pick a different month to look at. I can pick on June, and I'm down at the June section. Go back to the top. There is a link at the top to go to the adult vision screening schedule. If I click on that, it goes to the very bottom of the page. But you can see we bypassed these pages, these sections of the page that we already went to. These other links, all these other links, are just to help us get back to the top. So let me show you how we're going to be setting up the next year of pediatric screening. I'm going to go back into editing the page, and this is the LEAP Lions Eye Health Screening Programs page at my district. I just simply click on Edit. Here's the adult screening part. I've already added in new text for the links that go to the different months of next year, the school year. I've left in the months that have not gone past yet. So this is the remaining 2014 schedule that I've left on the page. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the anchors. Okay, I'm going to create here an anchor by pressing the anchor button for September 15. I can abbreviate September 15. And then this will be October 15. It doesn't have to look neat. In fact, lowercase is best. It's best because it could be used in typing in an address. Another anchor for November. Okay, that's enough of that example for now. And then the other link anchor I want to add is the anchor back to this. See, if I go and look at it, it's set to link 2015 2015-16. So I will go down here and create a link that goes to that right here. So it follows the same pattern here. Highlight, make a link. Highlight, make a link. But this is a link to an anchor. And there is the list. Link 2015-16. Okay. Now, I can copy this whole thing and just apply this or paste it. I'm using Control-V to paste that text back in everywhere that I want to see that link appear throughout the table. I do things in this manner just to speed things up. Plan ahead, do it once, make it quick. Okay. So here's the empty schedule here. We've created the anchor for September, October, November. Okay, so I'll now just highlight September, add the link to an anchor. I'm looking for September 15. Okay, highlight October, create a link to anchor, I'm now looking October 15th. Oops, wrong one. Okay. And then do the same thing with November. Oops. Link to an anchor. Anchor name, November 15th. And so I've done 3 months already. So I'm going to hit preview and publish. Now I'm going to go back to this page. This is the page we were looking at the beginning of the thing where I showed you how the links and anchors work. I'm going to hit the refresh button so you see a new row of pediatric screenings. Okay, I'm going to click on September. Boom, there's September right there. And I can click on this to go back. And I'll click on October. And here's October. I'll click on that to go back. And I click on November. I'm in November. Click and go back. So you can see I have made this fully functional, and I've tested every single link to be sure that it works. Do that, and you'll be able to add an awful lot of information on a page where people don't have to scroll down, but use these anchors and links to make it possible to get through all of this information. Thank you.